Hey guys, Damien here, and today I just got a laptop. It's a Gateway. Now we're gonna open this thing up. Just a second. Okay, let's get this thing opened. Oh, just a second. Italian Milano. There we go. There we go. No idea how to get this thing to work. I don't know how to get this thing open. Ah, here we go. Oh, this thing is so cool. Okay, so here's some stuff. I'm guessing that this is the charger. Or this is this is the thing that hooks up to the charger. Yeah, it's basically the charger, I think. And what's this? Okay. Oh, I think that connects to the laptop. Don't blame me if I'm stupid with this thing because this is my first time having a laptop, so shut up. And just because it's my first time doesn't mean I do not know how delicate and fragile these things are. And how careful I have to be. That's so cool. I'm typing! Okay. This is the battery thingamabob. Yeah, buddy. Got it in there. Now we're just gonna figure out how to turn the puppy on. Gonna take off this. Oh, it has a camera. That's cool. Okay, I don't know. Oh, Zeus. Jeez. Okay, let's get out of here. There we go. And there we go. This thing is so cool. Okay, let's turn this puppy on. Woo! Gateway. Alright guys, well that's it because I don't want to make this video way too long. So goodbye.